हरीश उपुल्ला, रमेश पी, श्रीबिन सिदर, वाल्के अमेय महादेव,
Thank you, sir. I now call upon Professor Animesh Chatterjee, Chairman, Board of Studies of Mechanical Engineering, to announce the names of MTech students.
Engineering, Ranjana Sangore. Anil Kumar Verma. गोहरा नितिन कुमार, मूळे नितिन उद्धवराव, नागार्जुन वर्मा, पाटिल दीपक जिजबराव, योगेश कुमार मदारिया, मास्टर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग, अंकलेश हिरामन गजविये, बीनू एस, चौधरी किरण रघुनाथ, के.एस.जी. नागेश्वर राव, आर. नादा बाबू गोपालुल्ली, Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now call upon Professor D.R. Peshwe, Chairman, Board of Studies of Metallurgy and Materials Engineering, to announce the names of MTech students.
मास्टर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी फेरस प्रोसेस मेटलर्जी, अश्विन दामोदर गायकवाड़, विकास गढ़पाले, मास्टर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी मटेरियल्स इंजीनियरिंग, पल्लवी सुरेश गोटकर, सोनिया गोयल, अमित कृष्णा कांबळे, आशीष वामनराव सेलोकर, मंगेश महादेव लोधे, प्रशांत तुलसीराम गुटके.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
May I request once again the Dean Academics, Dr. H.T. Thorat, for announcing the candidature of the BTech, BE and BR degrees.
All the candidates, including those in absentia, who have fulfilled all requirements described under the regulations and have been found fit for award of degree of Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Engineering, and Bachelor of Architecture.
के मनोज, वैभव नामदेवराव रमे, मान सिंह पाटिल, सार्थक अग्रवाल, विवेक सिंह, अमित डी, गौरव शर्मा, पृथ्वीराज डे, संतोष कुमार, वामसी कृष्णा वेगमुपल्ली, विवेक राज पांडे, सुमित सुरेश राव गीते। Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now call upon Professor O.G. Kakre, names of BTech BE students.
By Anand Goel, Aute Arvind Vijay, चोपड़े हर्षल अरुण, जोशी साहिल अविनाश, खाड़े सुशांत श्रीकांत, नेहरे विक्रम रमाकांत, सबनीस मृणाल विजय कुमार, सराफ अंकित अजय कुमार, अभिक्षा किकानी, निमरता कौर, आशुतोष कुमार, अविनाश कुमार वर्मा, चितमपल्ली श्रीराम, किशोर कुमार यरमल शेट्टी, एम महेंद्र, उबा नागेश कुमार, विवेक सिंह,
Thank you, sir. Now I call upon Professor M.K. Khedkar, Chairman, Board of Studies of Electrical Engineering, to announce the names of BTech BE students.
नेहा प्रभाकर नायक, नेहरे राधिका रमाकांत, अफजल अशरफ, अविनाश बालानी, धवल एस वैद्य, अनिल विशाल घड़े, इनानी अभिषेक गिरीश, किशन चंदानी जितेंद्र कैलाश, मुंद्रा आशीष कमल किशोर, तापड़िया अभिषेक राधेश्याम, ठक्कर हर्ष नितिन, मानवी गंडोत्रा, नीलिमा अरविंद, साक्षी यादव, अंकित दुबे, अविनाश कुमार, कुणाल शर्मा, पी विनील, प्रशांत कुमार बेहरा, संदीप एस नायर, शिवशंकर सी, सुदीप मोहन, मंदार बालकृष्ण वेडेकर,
Thank you, sir. I once again call
Bachelor of Technology, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Khera Priyanka, Ashwini Harishchandra, अंबार खाने हितेश लक्ष्मीकांत, कडू हर्षद काशीनाथ, एन विनोद कुमार, पांडरी पांडे रोहित विश्वास, रायसिंगानी मोहित सुरेश, संतोष गौरव, शिंदे निर्मल विजय, वीरवानी अंकित अरुण कुमार, विशाखा गुप्ता, अभिराज चक्रवर्ती, अपिल जैन, अतुल परियार, मोहम्मद अफरोज, नितिन जी श्रीवास्तव, प्रतुल कुमार सिंह, प्रत्युष प्रभाकर, प्रवीण कुमार श्रीवास्तव, प्रवीण प्रकाश, विवेक चतुर्वेदी,
Thank you, sir. I now call upon Professor Animesh Chatterjee, Chairman Board of Studies of Mechanical Engineering, to announce the name.
Bachelor of Technology, Mechanical Engineering, Avijit Kumar. Garge Nikhil Anil. Gobind Rajan Prasad. Divij Mahendro. Nisam Kumar. P. Hariharan Ayar. Padole Harsavardhan. Anand Patunkar. Saket Singh. Saurabh Singh. Ashwin Serke. सिद्धेश्वर तिवारी. निखिल वर्कर. आद्रित मिश्रा. अक्षय आर. अमित नारायण सरकार. अंतुल भट्टाचार्य. विकास कुमार चौधरी. देवेंद्र. श्रीधर. हर्षित अग्रवाल. जयंत बहेल. वैभव खांडेलवाल. एम कार्तिक. मैना सेनगुप्ता, मयांक सुमानी, मुफद्दल साबिर हुसैन, निखिल वेमुगंटी, नीतीश कुमार, वरुण पटचुड़े, पी गुणरंजन, ऋषि गुप्ता, रोहित शर्मा, सिद्धांत कुंडू, विक्रम सिंह, रिंकू आयरियो,
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू।
I now call upon Professor D.R. Peshwe, Chairman, Board of Studies of
Bachelor of Technology, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Hanote Hemangi Anil, Renu Chachda, Ambadipudi Alok Raj, जोशी सुयश वसंत, कोलते रुपेश विलास, मोरीर आनंद मोहन, सिद्धार्थ श्रीनिवासन, सोनी आदित्य गणेश प्रसाद, सुल्तान सिंह बिष्ट, जयवंत श्रुति राजीव, आशीर्वाद उपाध्याय, अमृतेश्वर महापात्र, अंकुर शुक्ला, आशीष जैन, दिग्विजय सिंह, दिनेश कुमार राव, नवज्योति टेका,
Absent.
सचिन कुमार सिंह, जी श्री विजयनाथ प्रवीण, सुजीत पलवार, उत्कर्ष सिंह, सुबोध दादाजी गायकवाड़। Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now call upon Professor S.B. Shrungarputtage of Mining Engineering to announce the names of BTech BE students. Thank you, sir. Now I call upon Professor V.S. Kapse, Chairman Board of Studies of Architecture and Planning, to announce the names of BR students.
Bachelor of Architecture, Itki Sham Pandit. नेहा नरेंद्र नागले। संयुक्ता सुधीर पंढरपूरकर। शंकरी स्वामीनाथन। सुकन्या मिश्रा। रश्मि शरद चंद्र वाघमारे। अनीश माधव भालेराव। सौरभ मोरेश्वर बनारकर। अमोद हेमंत भावे। चिन्मय प्रभाकर पाटिल। प्रयास देवरी। आलाप हर्षद शाह। अनुराग सोलंकी। ये शरण्या। अंजिता सिन्हा। दितिमुनि बरुआ। नम्रता धारवानी। एसवी लक्ष्मी। श्राव्या गालंगिरी। स्तुति गुरिया। उपासना। अंजलि कुमार मोहंती। अपूर्व तोमर। चिंतन दत्तदार। हरि ओम। कुमुद कुमार। नितिन कुमार श्रीवास्तव। प्रकाश राजा भी। विकास कुमार निर्मल। रश्मि श्याम बंसोड़। सोनल बत्रा। राधा कृष्ण धवल।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
संस्थान के सभी स्नातकों को बधाई देती हूँ। उनके स्वर्णिम भविष्य के लिए ये पंक्तियाँ कहना चाहूँगी। जो तीर प्रगति का हरदम बोध करता, जिसकी महिमा का पार न कोई पाता, उस परम कमान का तीर न टूटने पाए, वे विद्यार्थी प्रगति पथ पर बढ़ते ही जाएं। Let us all join in rejoicing the achievements and successes of our graduates. May I now have the privilege of requesting the Honorable Chairman, Board of Governors, Shri S.S. Sohni, for presenting the prizes to the postgraduate and undergraduate candidates.
And let's see B.M. Gupta Prize for securing highest CPI in MTech Industrial Engineering program. Moe Nitin Uddarav, he is having Academic Excellence Prize for highest CPI in MTech Wind Power Engineering program. Venkateshwar A. Reddy, Academic Excellence Prize for highest CPI in MTech Integrated Power Systems program.
Absent.
Abhay Swaransarup Kochar, Academic Excellence Prize for highest CPI in MTech Embedded Electronic System program. Vikas Gadpale, Academic Excellence Prize for highest CPI in MTech Ferrous Process Metallurgy program. Amit Krishna Kamre, Academic Excellence Prize for highest CPI in MTech Materials Engineering program. Brushali Narayan Borle, Academic Excellence Prize for highest CPI in MTech Water Resource Engineering program. Disha Asaram Bhandare, she is having 3 prizes: Academic Excellence Prize, Shri Bhide Memorial Prize, and Purna Award 1 for securing highest CPI in MTech Environmental Engineering program. Anupam Tiwari, he has Purna Award 2 for securing second highest CPI in MTech Environmental Engineering program. Kanchan Panjab Rao Patil, she is having 2 awards, Academic Excellence Prize and Dr. S.S. Kulkarni Prize for highest CPI in MTech Structural Engineering program. Ashwini Ratiramjit Shivsagar, Academic Excellence Prize for highest CPI in MTech Structural Dynamics and Earthquake Engineering program. Now we begin with the BTech programs, and first I am announcing the name with 8 awards: Prithviraj Day, Institute Medal Prize, late Shri C.T. Yarpuri Prize, late Professor Anil Doshi Gold Medal for securing highest CPI in BTech Civil Engineering. And let Dr. V.N. Joshi Prize for securing highest CPI in BTech Mechanical Engineering program. Ashish Jain, he has 3 awards: Institute Medal, Academic Excellence Prize, and late Dr. N.K. Doshi Prize for securing highest CPI in BTech Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. Sopre Harshal Arun. He has 2 awards, Institute Medal and Academic Excellence Prize for securing highest CPI in BTech Computer Science Engineering. Sahane Dinesh Rakesh Chandra. He has 3 awards, Institute Medal, Academic Excellence Prize and Akhilesh Gedam Memorial Prize for highest CPI in BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering. Absent. In BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering. Absent. Padone Harshavardhan Narayan. Let's see K.M. Gawande Prize for securing highest CPI among candidates from OBC category in BTech Mechanical Engineering. Amod Hemant Bhave, he has 4 medals, Institute Medal, Academic Excellence Prize, Professor S.D. Adani Gold Medal, late Dr. V.M. Pandakar Prize for securing highest CPI in PR. Next prize is shared by 2 students, that is the Purnima Prize for highest SPI by girl student in final year BR, the part 2 examination summer 2008, that is Sukanya Mishra. And Shravya Garlandin. And now for the last but most coveted Vishweshwarya medal, may I request the Chief Guest, Dr. Bhajendra Munjal, to give this award. And I am announcing Neha Prabhakar Nayak. She is receiving Sir Vishweshwarya medal. Late Sri N.G. Gauchi Prize. Late Dr. A.G. Patankar Prize for securing highest CPI amongst all disciplines of BTech Engineering program. In addition to this, he has also got Academic Excellence Prize, Waterway Education Trust Prize and Shri L.J. Sane Prize for securing highest CPI in BTech Electrical Engineering program.
Good wishes for a bright and prosperous future. Let us give them a big hand of applause. May I are requested to repeat after her.
Of the Vishweshwarya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur, hereby pledge that I shall always be scrupulously honest in the discharge of my duties as an engineer. I shall always endeavor
मिले आपको समृद्धि और है हमारी शुभकामना. To read out the citation for conferring the honorary degree of Doctor of Later on Dr. Bhalachandra Mungekar, the Honorable Member, Planning Commission and the Chief Guest.
We can bestow on an individual. Today, we are fortunate to be able to recognize the achievements of a distinguished academician, eminent economist, a leading and outstanding citizen of our country, Dr. Bhalachandra Mungekar. Professor Bhalachandra Mungekar, you were born 62 years back in what was then a small obscure village, Munger. By the dint of sheer hard work, grit, sincerity and unwavering perseverance, you conquered the adverse circumstances of the times and completed your formal education, earning MA and PhD degrees both in economics from the University of Bombay. You are at present member of the Planning Commission and also President and Chairman, Indian Institute of Advanced Study, Shimla. In a career straddling academics and public service, you have with you your qualities of head and heart made a mark, left your indelible imprint on the various positions, academic and administrative, that you have adorned. Who, for instance, does not know of the rapid stride the University of Mumbai made when you were its distinguished Vice Chancellor. You also have noteworthy contributions as Professor of Industrial Economics, University of Bombay, and as a member of the Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices, Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India. Professor Mungekar, you combine in you the best qualities of a learned academician and dedicated public servant. You are the founder president of Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Social and Economic Change, chairman of the Advisory Committee, India Council of Social Science Research, Mumbai, and a veteran to or member of many other